that I could put my hand through my hair. I can get my head massaged, you know. What wig, babe? You think I got a wig on? You must be mistaken. This is my own scalp, B. Keep massaging, girl. Premier Wigs just changed the game for me. Okay. It's so light, like I can still check a bitch. joking yeah, I'm gonna put all the information on this hair in the description box. The link, everything that I may have missed will be in the description box. So girls, please make sure you read the description box before you drop a comment asking a question I may have already answered. Okay, you can get $10 off with the code the Patrons. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.